it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Happy 4th of July! I know it's just a little bit early, but I normally post my videos on Tuesdays and 4th of July is Wednesday, so I didn't want to mess up my schedule. But happy 4th of July. If you couldn't guess by the title and what I look like, today's video is a 4th of July tutorial. I am traveling this week. I am going to Minnesota to see my fiance's family and go to his 10-year class reunion. And I really wanted to come up with a 4th of July look that was like quick and easy and travel friendly, like stuff I could easily bring with me and not have to bring like 10 different palettes, and something I could probably do in a hurry if I had to get ready quickly to go somewhere with his family. So this is less of a like over the top dramatic theatrical 4th of July look and more of a like just fun, festive, low-key look. And I'm really excited with how it turned out. I can't wait for you to see how easy and quick it was to achieve this look. Let's just get started. So I've already primed and set my eyes with a translucent powder. Now I'm going into Davina's Candy, this medium blue with a fluffy crease brush, and popping that in the transition area, slightly in and above the crease. Don't mind the staining on my lid. I was playing around with looks yesterday and put a red liquid lipstick on my lid and it will not come off. I even had a primer underneath of it and it stained through the primer. So just get that from the inner corner to the outer edge. One trick I like to do to get the proper placement is angle the way I hold the brush upwards instead of downwards, because then that deposits more on the lid. If you angle the brush upwards, it gets it in and above the crease a lot easier. Then I'm taking Davina's Navel, this navy blue, on a tapered crease brush, and putting that on the outer corner and fluffing that inwards. And then take the crease brush and blend the two colors together. And this blue does have a lot of fallout, so that's why I'm doing my eyes before I do my face. Go back and re-intensify that blue, that navel color. Now for this, you could have taped your eyes. I'm just going to take my lotion and clean up that way. That way I'm not irritating my skin with tape, because sometimes that can happen with my sensitive skin. And it gives you a nice, clean, sharp line. So now that we've got that laid down, then I'm going to go in with the NYX Glitter Primer and put that all over the lid. And I'm going to do that on both eyes at once because I'm just going straight from one eye to the other. And I will be taking Davina's Janae, this metallic red color, and a flat shader brush, and just popping that all over the lid. So now we're going to do the white, and I'm taking my mirror a lot closer so I can see what I'm doing, going in with the NYX retractable eyeliner in white. It is just a little pencil that I sharpened to a fine point, and I'm going to be just doodling stars. on my eye. I'm pulling the skin tight. And that is one eye done. I'm just gonna wipe off the tip because it did get a little red on it. Oh no! I broke off the tip. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little sharpener and sharpen that back up really quick. Nice and sharp again. So I really only have to draw like 3 lines to get a star. And see, my eyes aren't exactly the same, but that's what makes this kind of an artistic look. So I've got the red, the white, and the blue, and the white is the stars, and it's on the blue. Then we are going to take Icing by Divina from the pink icing set, this white glitter shade, and take a pencil brush and just dot that on top of the white stars to set them in place and add a little bit something extra to them. And pat away the excess with your finger. Then I am just going to line my lash line. I am not going to wing it out because I put stars there, but I'm going to take the NYX Epic ink and line my lash line. Alright, and then I'm going to go off camera, apply my base, my brows, my lashes, and we will finish the lower lash line and the rest of the face. So I've done my base, my brows, and I put lashes on. I put on the Baddington Lashes Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. I got them from a friend that gets BoxyCharm. She doesn't wear lashes, so I thought I'd give them a try, and not sure how I feel about them. They've got a little bit thicker of a band than I normally like, but they are really pretty. So now we're going to continue with the lower lash line, and I'm going to take that retractable white eyeliner and put that on the waterline. And then take the NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk and color in the inner corner. Color over that red. And this blends away really easily, so if you get a little bit messy, just take your finger and it'll fix it right up. And then take a mixture of a white matte shadow and a glittery shadow. I'm taking Glow and Icing from Divina on a pencil brush and pop that on top to really brighten that up and seal that in, and blend it up into the blue. Then go ahead and take your red color, this is again Janae, and put that on the pencil brush and put that in the center of the lower lash line to meet up with the white. And then lastly, take a mixture of your medium blue and your navy blue and put that on the blank area at the outer edge. So now I'm going to put on mascara. I'm putting on the Maybelline Lash Sensational. And since I'm traveling, I do want to bring with me items that I'm going to be using every day, and I want to use up my Project Pan items, so I'll be bringing those with me. So for bronzer, I'll be taking Bareminerals Ocean Drive. This is no longer available. It was in a limited edition palette that I depotted, and just warming up the face because it is summertime, so It's the time of year that I like to get really glowy and bronzy. I mean, who am I kidding? I like to be glowy all year, but bronzy for me is a summertime thing. I could go crazy with a colorful blush, but because I'm spending 4th of July with my fiance's family, I want to keep it just with the festive eyes and a more neutral face. So I'm going in with my Project Pan blush, Becca's Amaretto, which again, no longer exists. You can see me rant about that in my Drunk Get Ready With Me, where I almost swear at the company who decided to not make it permanent. Then for highlights, because I don't want my eyes to be completely on their own, I'm going to take iridescent highlighters. I'm first taking Prismatic Pearl from Bareminerals and just putting that on the high points. And just patting that out with a dense round brush. I want to look like my highlighter is like fireworks, but wearable fireworks, so not like actually bursting fireworks, just the colors. Then I'm going to take Laura Geller's Diamond Dust with a tapered highlighting brush and just place that on top of my cheekbones to get that really nice and intense. And dust it lightly everywhere else I laid the Prismatic Pearl, because I just want my cheekbones to be the most intense. Oh, and also put it on the brow bone. The last step is lips. I'm just going for a classic red here. So we're taking J. Cat's Roll It Up Auto Lip Liner in Raw 104. I bought this with like a set of 12, I think, and I will link that down below for you. It's a really affordable, really good lip liner set. So I just like to outline my lips, not fill them in, because the lipstick that I'm about to put on is pigmented enough. I don't need like a base of color. It is Seriously Red from Bareminerals. This is just a deluxe sample size, but I love it. And then set your entire face. And this is my completed 4th of July tutorial for traveling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!